The Central Cascades region is a very popular recreational area, less than a 2-hour drive from Seattle. It's possible to leave the hectic pace of the city and within several hours, find yourself in a wilderness where time seems to stand still. Kolchak Lake has to be one of the prettiest alpine lakes in the region. The trail runs through shaded woods and reaches the turquoise waters of the lake, opening breathtaking views of Dragon Tail and Kolchak peaks. Icicle Road is one of the most picturesque and shortest roads in the U.S. It would only take you 20 minutes to drive through from the beginning till the end, but the beauty of every moment would be pressed forever in your memory. This 13-mile road gives you the opportunity to enjoy the majestic beauty of the mountains, scenic green forests that in autumn put on a show of color. You'll also enjoy numerous streams and the Icicle River that run alongside the road. Icicle Road actually begins in the downtown of Leavenworth and wanders through the mountains. Along the road, there are plenty of opportunities for hiking, camping, picnicking, or snowshoeing, depending on the season. The beauty of this short trip is beyond words. You have to see it with your own eyes. Icicle Gorge Trail is a great loop by the river that allows you to experience the beauty of the Icicle Valley. It's one of the better hikes for families with kids because there are no additional trails that could cause you to wander off into the woods. Hikers will encounter many bridges and water crossings along the trail, all very well kept. This is a tremendous walk for summer days because the entire trail is shaded and a swimming hole awaits at Rock Island Campground. Peshastin's Pinnacle State Park is a 34-acre park in Chelan County that consists of sandstone slabs and spires situated in the desert environment. These spires are called the Pinnacles. Lots of trails and climbable spires provide great views of the Wenatchee River Valley and the Enchantment Mountain Range. Mountain Home Road is a dirt road that connects Leavenworth and the Blewett Pass Road, which passes through beautiful forests, revealing great views of Icicle Canyon, valleys, and the surrounding mountains. This area is also considered to be a great mountain biking area, even for the beginner. It should also be mentioned that Leavenworth and the surrounding area is a great place to enjoy the cool weather and golden days of autumn, as it's perfect for enjoying the changing fall colors and roaring waters of the rivers. Many will tell you that fall is the best time to visit Leavenworth and hike these trails that run through the Central Cascades.
喜欢我的视频，请关注、转发。